Hello friends, today we are going to paint this picture. As a first step, I do this tone sketch. It's a thumbnail size but gives me idea of composition, overall lights, tones and how the shapes are dividing each other. Now I start marking the main points, perspective of this location. Once I locate all the key points, I will start marking them darker and then we will move to the color. So our drawing is finished. Now I am taking some water and making paper wet overall. I am planning to put some light red color where the light is fallen, and then once that I get fixed, I'll go to the darker side. Now I am starting with darker area. I reversed the paper to achieve the gravity effect and let water color spread evenly. In this picture there is a lot of work in dark area and very less work is in the light. That is what it made me to paint this subject. I'm doing this recording while taking the Zoom online session. That's why the headphone wire is coming in between. I'm sorry about that. Let's continue. Painting darker area by observing colors and creating the darker shades and applying them as they come. See, I am doing some dark parts, darker parts, darkest parts and trying to achieve result that is shown in the photograph. Here in this painting I am using scarlet red, ultramarine blue, Persian blue, then burnt sienna, gamboge a little bit and some dull colors which are available on the palette. This dark color, which is almost equal to black, is achieved mixing many colors, especially French ultramarine blue, burnt sienna and Persian blue. You can try that, it's a very good shade, gives warm shadow and a darker part. Here I am picking some mist light part by applying some water. Now doing some bricks in the light area. That way it will feel that it's a wall of stones and shadow is fallen on it. So here is my finished version. If you like such videos, do let me know in the comments, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.